Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about distance between two lines. For our first example, we are asked to determine the distance between two parallel lines with the equation y is equal to 4x plus 10 and y is equal to 4x minus 20. So as you can see in this given example, we have y is equal to 4x plus 10 and y is equal to 4x minus 20. So those equations are in the form y is equal to mx plus b. And with that, the formula that we are going to use to determine the distance between those two parallel lines is d is equal to the absolute value of c sub 2 minus c sub 1 over 1 square root of 1 plus m squared. Now, this is our c sub 1 and this is our c sub 2. And for the value of m, we have 4. And as we all know, that the slope of the parallel lines are equal. That's why they have the same slope of 4. Now let us substitute this given on our formula. Now we have d is equal to the absolute value of c sub 2, which is 20 or negative 20 minus 10 over the square root of 1 plus 4 quantity squared. Then let us have negative 20 minus 10 is negative 30. But we do have here absolute value. So our answer would be 30 over the square root of 1 plus 4 squared is 16. So 1 plus 16 is 17. Therefore, 30 divided by the square root of 17, d is equal to 7.28 units. Okay, so that is the distance between the two parallel lines with the equation y is equal to 4x plus 10 and y is equal to 4x minus 20. Now let us proceed to the second example. Determine the distance between two parallel lines with the equation 4x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. As you can see, our given equation is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And this is the general equation of the line. So for this example, the formula that we are going to use is d is equal to the absolute value of c sub 2 minus c sub 1 all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. Now, this is our a, b, and c sub 1. A, b, and c sub 2. So as you can see, the value of a and b are the same. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, and c sub 2 is 5, while c sub 1 is negative 9. Then, let us have equal. C sub 2, C sub 2 is 5 plus negative 9, that is, so plus negative, and negative, that would be positive, so plus 9, all over the square root of a, which is 4 square plus 3 square. This is equal to 5 plus 9 is 14 over the square root of 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Now let us simplify this one. We have 14 over 5, and that is equivalent to 2.8. Therefore, our answer is 2.8 units. So the distance between two parallel lines with the equation 4x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x plus 3y plus 5 equals 0 is equal to 2.8 units. So we have to remember if the equation is in the slope-intercept form, y is equals to mx plus b or c, then the formula that we are going to use is d is equal to the absolute value of c sub 2 minus c sub 1 over the square root of 1 plus m squared. But if the equation is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the formula that we're going to use is d is equal to the absolute value of c sub 2 minus c sub 1 over the square root of a square plus b square.